Elevate your entertainment ambience with the GHome Smart TV LED Backlight. This 9.2 feet Wi-Fi strip light brings a touch of innovation to your space, seamlessly pairing with Alexa and Google Assistant for effortless voice-controlled operation. Take command of your lighting through the user-friendly app, granting you precise control over colors and settings directly from your smartphone. Immerse yourself in a visual symphony as the strip light syncs with your music, dynamically painting your room with captivating hues that dance in harmony with the beat. With a staggering 16 million RGB color possibilities, you have an extensive palette to craft the ideal atmosphere. Fine-tune the brightness to your liking using the dimming feature, ensuring the perfect balance of illumination for any situation. Designed for TVs ranging from 30 to 60 inches, this strip light doesn't just elevate your viewing experience, it transforms your living space into an ever-changing canvas of light and color, redefining the art of home lighting decor.